Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can use this BL102 PLC gateway to convert Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP data. But sometime it is required to change the IP address of this gateway. Okay, so you can see on this label the default IP of this gateway is 196.168.3.1 and we have changed the IP address to 192.168.3.1, but sometime we need to change the IP address again. So in this video we will see how we can change the IP address of this LAN port using this configuration software. Okay, so we will first open this configuration software here and then you have to search for this gateway. Okay, so if I search for this gateway, then I won't find any gateway because I am not connected with this gateway through LAN cable. So I need to plug my LAN cable here. So let me plug it. Okay, now I have to search it again. Okay, so you can see here the BL102 model and the IP address is 192.168.3.1. Okay, if I double click on this and then it will ask me for password. So default password is 123456. Okay, and I am connected. Now what is my agenda is I want to change the IP address of this gateway. I don't want to keep the IP address like 192.168.3.1. I want to change it to 192.168.3.5. So how do I do that? So you can go to this LAN option here. You can double click on this LAN option and you can see the current IP address of this gateway. Okay, and the current subnet mask of this gateway. So we need to change this IP address to 192.168.3.5. So just I have to type 5 here. So my IP address got changed. Okay, and I can press OK to save it. Okay, but still the IP address of this gateway is not changed because we didn't write configuration in the gateway. So if I open my command prompt here and if I ping my device, ping 192.168.3.1, okay, you can see I am getting continuous ping. Once I write the updated configuration to my gateway, I will lose the ping here. Okay, so let me write here. Okay, my device will be rebooted. You can see the LED. Okay, run LED is blinking, so my device is rebooting here. And if I search here, or we need to refresh it here. Okay, you can see the IP address got changed 192.168.3.5. Okay, and you can see we have lost the ping. Okay, now if I cancel this and if I change the IP address here, okay, I'm getting the ping again. And if I disconnect my LAN cable, then also you can see here we lost our ping here. So this is how you can change the IP address of your BL102 gateway from this software. Okay, so again we need to enter the password here. Okay, and if you double click on this LAN option, you will get this wizard Ethernet setting. And if you want to change it to default, then again you can put 192.168.3.1 and press OK here. Okay, and then you can again write configuration in the gateway and you will lose the ping here. Okay, now we will again ping from the original IP address 192.168.3.1 and we are getting the ping, so we can connect with our gateway using that IP address. So once you search it from this software, you will see that 192.168.3.1 is available on our network. Okay, and we are able to connect with the gateway using our previous IP address. So this is how you can change the gateway IP address from this BLIoT configuration software specifically designed for BL102 series of gateway. Okay, so this gateway is brought to you by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. If you want to buy this gateway, then the detail of Augmatic Technologies Private Limited on the screen as well as in the description of this video. We will provide the website detail. We will provide the salesperson number. You can contact them. You can visit their website and you can order BL102 PLC gateway from their website or directly over the phone call. Okay, so if you still have any question or any doubt regarding the IP address change in BL102 gateway, you can ping me on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere, and we will resolve your doubt. Okay, so don't forget to check out the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited website for more of this kind of gateway. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.